Here we come to the elevator at the Julia Ideson building, which is part of the Jesse Jones Public Library in downtown Houston, Texas. It's a ThyssenKrupp. With the first generation of newer traditional. I totally forgot I never recorded this elevator. I first discovered this elevator 2 years ago. Wow, this thing is definitely bronze. 3. One. Take for one more ride, get a cab view. Oh, look at that door open button, it's missing a cover. Are you going down?
Yeah, number 2, please.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
I'm just an elevator photographer. Look at this. See, it's missing a plastic cover for the door open button. But anyways, I actually discovered this elevator back in 2023. I thought I recorded this elevator before, but turns out I don't even remember if I did film this elevator. I did. I'm pretty sure I did, but I just couldn't find a video of it when I first discovered this elevator until after discovering Anthony's Air 20501's video. But anyways, we're gonna go back down to when it ended there. I think this elevator's gotta be installed sometimes in the mid-2000s. But the building itself, the building itself is a lot older. Either it replaced an older elevator, or they never had elevators when this building was built in the first place, and the elevator was installed later than that. Well, yeah, I finally got a video of this elevator. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.